You know the rest. You know it. Hello. Somebody put me on the beach. Take me out. Take me out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rose here, back with another video. And as you can see from the title of this video, I'll be doing a review on this unit that I got from My Lisa Hair on AliExpress. So if you want to see how I installed this unit and how I got it to look this good, honey, because I'm loving it. Something's in my hair. Awkward. But yes, if you guys want to see how I got this unit to look like this, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so this is the wig that we'll be styling today. I got this hair from My Lisa. This is their transparent 13x4 lace frontal wig in the length 20 inches. The wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline, and it also does come with the traditional straps and the combs on the inside of the wig that nobody uses. So yes, let's style this bad boy. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and customized the wig beforehand. I bleached the knots, plucked the hairline a little bit, and hot combed it back. And she is ready to be installed. But you see the color of that lace? We gonna fix that. So I'm going to be using this Ruby Kisses cream foundation. You can get it from your local beauty supply store, and I find that it works well with all my wigs. It works well to tint your lace any color you like, so go crazy. Alright guys, so this video I'm going to be using Erica J's Tsunami E Kids. Have her own line of products. So I'm going to start off by using her Hold Me Down adhesive. It is a skin guard. Okay, so I feel like the wig fits me exactly where we need to, so I'm going to go in with the Hold Me Down adhesive, which is this small baby right here. But yeah, I have the Hold Me Down adhesive right here. It's really small. I'm going to go ahead and dot that around my hairline because the wig does seem to match up perfectly. And I'm not wearing a wig cap because it's translucent lace and I could see the cap through it, and I don't feel like doing the bald cap method. But if you like the bald cap method, go ahead and do so. But I'm going to skip that portion for now, and I'm going to go straight into applying this adhesive. So I'm going to only do 2 layers for this glue because I don't plan on keeping my hair in for that long. Alright, so now that it has cleared down, I feel it's a bit tacky, so I think it's definitely ready to be set into place. So we're going to go ahead and do just that. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and cut the extra lace off. As you can see, I'm cutting in a zigzag motion or a jagged motion just so that you don't have that straight line of demarcation. This helps with further creating the illusion of a fake scalp. And don't forget to cut around your earlobe to make the wig fit comfortably. And if you do have any laps on the side, which you may have, feel free to go back in with some glue and tap her that down. Now, I know y'all see me go in with an elastic band. Yes, this is an elastic band I'm using to wrap my hair down and let the lace adhere to my skin. I also did go ahead and put some Nairobi wrapping foam on the lace as well. So I'll tie that down. I'm going to go ahead and cut my baby hairs because we don't like long baby hairs here, and we don't like thick ones either. So I'm cutting them all down really short. I wanted to go ahead and talk about the lace on this unit. I like the density of the hair. It ain't that thick. It ain't too skimp. I think it's a good enough density. The only thing I have to say about the lace is that the knots did die very quick, which I was surprised by because usually AliExpress lace be taking forever to dry, or the knots are just very thick and they don't die at all. So this one died very quickly, and the wig was pre-plucked. I barely plucked anything on this wig. Like, I just went in a little bit and did a little few picks here and there, but it is all pre-plucked, and I think they did a fantastic job. I think I want to do a side part. I haven't done a side part in like forever. So for styling, I think I'm just going to go ahead and put some loose barrel curls in it, but I'm going to go ahead. I got this Conair 1.5 inch, I want to say 1.5 inch barrel curler. I got this from Walgreens. I was looking for one online, but I found this in Walgreens for dumb cheap, so I picked it up. And I'm going to use this today for the first time. I don't typically curl with a curling iron. It's been forever since I curled with a curling iron, so this is going to be interesting. before I go ahead and curl my hair, I'm going to be going in with L'Oreal Sleek It Iron Heat Protectant. All right, guys, you see what I did here? Do you see what I did here? I'm loving this. So, last touch, we're going to go ahead and cover up anything that probably looks like funky on the lace. So, I'm going to be going in with my bronzer that I use on my face. And we're just going to be dabbing it in there. And as you can see on camera, it kind of like just blends in with your skin, just so that like that line of demarcation is there, but it's not yelling at nobody, because at the end of the day, lace is lace. So it's going, like, you can see the lace, but that kind of like tones it down so it's not yelling at nobody. Your girl is loving it. So yeah, I went ahead and did like a light wave. I didn't do anything too crazy, so it's just looking like, yeah. Yeah, she's happy. She's giving, yeah. She's giving. All right. But yeah, these are my final results from this wig that I got from My Lisa Hair. I will leave all the info down in the description box if you do want to go ahead and purchase this unit for yourself. This video is not sponsored. I definitely bought this with my own money, but I would recommend it. I think this is a very good beginner-friendly wig. Right out the box, the hairline is pre-plucked. And for some people that don't really care too much about being very particular on their hairline, then you wouldn't need to do any extraordinary plucking or bleaching of the knots. But I went ahead and bleached my knots and plucked my hairline a little bit more. And as you can see, it looks amazing. The density of the hair is good as well. It's not too thick, it's not too thin, it's very good. So if you like this wig, comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe, and join the family. Yes.